Have you ever pondered over the ethics involved in the production of your favorite AI gadgets? Let's take a moment to navigate the complex terrain of ethical issues surrounding AI processor manufacturing. This isn't solely about the shiny, high-tech end product that eventually lands in your hands. It's about the entire production journey, the unseen stages that make the magic happen. Imagine the assembly lines, the workers diligently piecing together each intricate part. But do we ever stop to consider the potential for labor exploitation in these factories? And what about the environmental impact? The creation of these processors can leave a hefty carbon footprint, from the extraction of raw materials to the energy consumed in production. Consider also the digital divide. AI processors are the beating heart of our most cutting-edge gadgets, but their availability and affordability are not universal. This raises questions about who benefits and who is left behind. How often do we question the processes that go into the production of these AI processors we use daily? To understand the ethical implications, we must first understand the manufacturing process of AI processors. This process, much like a carefully choreographed dance, is composed of several intricate steps, each carrying its own set of ethical considerations. The first step, the extraction of raw materials, is a labor-intensive process that requires the mining of precious metals like gold, silver, and palladium. These operations often occur in developing countries where labor laws may be lax, leading to hazardous working conditions. Additionally, the extraction process can have a devastating impact on local ecosystems, causing significant environmental degradation. Next comes the refining stage, where the raw materials are transformed into usable components. This process often involves the use of harmful chemicals, which, if not properly managed, can pose serious health risks to workers and local communities. Once the components are ready, they're assembled into processors. This stage involves meticulous precision and can often be automated. However, when human labor is used, it's often in environments